In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to handwrite on Google Docs. If you've ever wished you could add a quick signature, jot down a note in your own handwriting, or sketch a simple symbol without leaving your document, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it with the built-in tools. Start by opening Google Docs. Head to the website, sign in if you need to, and open an existing document or create a new one by choosing blank. It's easiest to start with a clean page, but this will work just as well inside any document you already have. Next, open the Drawing tool. At the top of your document, click Insert, then choose Drawing and select New. This opens a separate drawing canvas on top of your document. Think of it like a mini whiteboard that you can draw on, and whatever you add here will be placed back into your document when you're done. Inside the drawing canvas, look for the Line tool in the toolbar. Click the small arrow next to it to open the options and choose Scribble. Scribble is the key to handwriting because it lets you draw freehand with your mouse, trackpad, or a stylus if you're on a touchscreen device. If you want cleaner results, consider slowing down your strokes and zooming in on your browser for more control. Now, start handwriting. Click and drag to write directly on the canvas, lifting your finger or mouse between strokes just like you would with a pen. You can write names, add quick notes, sign your document, practice cursive, or even draw simple symbols and arrows to call out important points. If a line doesn't look right, use the undo button or select and delete it. For better readability, you can adjust the line color and weight from the toolbar so your writing stands out clearly on the page. When your handwriting looks the way you want, click Save and Close in the top right corner of the canvas. Your handwritten content will appear right inside your document at the spot where your cursor was. It behaves like an image, so it stays together as one element. If you want to tweak it, just click the drawing. You can drag a corner to resize it without distorting the proportions. Move it anywhere on the page by dragging. And if you need to make changes to the writing itself, click Edit to reopen the canvas and adjust your strokes. That's all there is to it. Your handwritten text is now inserted into your document as an image-like element. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Google Docs tips and tutorials.